National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Bonner County in the Panhandle of Idaho, northwestern Shoshone County in the Panhandle of Idaho, north central Kootenai County in the Panhandle of Idaho, until 5:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 5:04 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Athol, or 16 miles southeast of Priest River, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Athol, Clark Fork, East Hope, Coquilala, Laclede, Bayview, Corail,